The idea of healing frequency, commonly linked with sound healing or vibrational therapy, has become increasingly popular in specific sectors of alternative and complementary medicine. Proponents of healing frequencies often claim that these specific sound vibrations can resonate with the body's natural frequencies, leading to various health benefits. The concept that frequency and vibration can affect not only human mental well-being but also plants has garnered attention in various fields, including botany, agriculture, and alternative medicine. Healing frequencies refer to specific sound frequencies that are believed to have a positive effect on the mind and body, promoting relaxation, reducing stress, and aiding in the healing process. While the scientific evidence supporting the efficacy of these healing frequencies is limited, many people find them to be a helpful complement to traditional medical treatments. Frequency methods, on the other hand, can refer to a variety of practices that involve using specific frequencies to promote healing or well-being. These methods can include sound therapy, where specific frequencies or musical tones are used to promote relaxation and reduce stress, as well as other alternative therapies such as biofield therapy, electromagnetic therapy, and light therapy. Some proponents of frequency methods believe that exposure to specific frequencies can help balance the body's energy fields and promote healing. Frequency methods can include various techniques such as the 7 chakras. Solfeggio frequencies combines the traditional Eastern chakra system with the solfeggio frequencies, which are a set of ancient musical tones used in Gregorian chants. Each chakra is believed to correspond to specific aspects of physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being, and the solfeggio frequencies are thought to have specific healing properties that can help balance these aspects. Root chakra, 396 Hz. Destroy unconscious blockages. The root chakra is associated with feelings of safety, security, and stability. The 396 Hz frequency is believed to help release fear and other negative emotions that may be blocking the root chakra, promoting a sense of security and grounding. Sacral chakra, 417 Hz. Remove negative energy. The sacral chakra is associated with creativity, sensuality, and emotional balance. The 417 Hz frequency is thought to help remove negative energy and promote emotional healing and positive transformation within the sacral chakra. Solar plexus chakra, 528 Hz. Bring positive transformation. The solar plexus chakra is related to personal power, self-esteem, and confidence. The 528 Hz frequency is believed to stimulate the solar plexus chakra, promoting positive transformation, and empowering the individual to embrace their personal power and self-worth. Heart chakra, 639 Hz. Harmonize relationships. The heart chakra is associated with love, compassion, and emotional balance. The 639 Hz frequency is believed to facilitate harmonious relationships, enhance communication, and foster feelings of love and empathy within the heart chakra. Throat chakra, 741 Hz. Remove toxins. The throat chakra is linked to self-expression, communication, and truth. The 741 Hz frequency is believed to help remove toxins and negative energy, promoting clear communication, self-expression, and the expression of one's truth within the throat chakra. Third eye chakra, 852 Hz. Love frequency. The third eye chakra is associated with intuition, perception, and spiritual awareness. The 852 Hz frequency is believed to stimulate the third eye chakra, promoting love, intuition, and inner peace, and enhancing one's spiritual connection and consciousness. While these concepts have gained popularity in alternative and complementary medicine, the scientific evidence supporting the specific healing properties of these frequencies is limited. It is important to approach these practices with an open mind and to consult with a qualified healthcare professional for any specific health concerns.